Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive crypto on your TREZOR Safe 5. Receiving crypto is a very simple thing. You need to have your device connected to a computer or Android phone and have TREZOR Suite opened. Now go to the account you want to receive it on. So like I'm gonna be using my Ledger account, but if you are just using your TREZOR, then probably you just have like these accounts. By the way, you can add assets by activating more assets, and I will be receiving Solana on my Ledger account, so that's what I'll select. And I will have receive in the top, and click on show full address. And you will need to verify on your TREZOR. So first type in the PIN if it's currently locked. Then it's verifying the PIN. And now you have the address both on your TREZOR and on your computer. Verify that on both it's the same address being shown, because otherwise it just won't make any sense, right? You really need to verify the address, because sometimes your computer, if it's hacked, it may display a different one, and your device will always display the right one. Now, if you go to Coinbase, sorry, I will go to Coinbase because I'm gonna be sending from a Coinbase. You can just send your address or give the QR code to a person that's supposed to send you money, right? But as I said, I'll be just transferring from my own Coinbase, so I'll just go there, send crypto, then I'll go to the QR code scanning and I'll scan the address. Now I will select Solana and I'll type in like whatever is the minimum. Yeah, and now let's go to preview, and here I'll just need to go through a few things, but it depends really on the app you're using. I'll just send it. It says that it's gonna take about 27 seconds, so I'll just wait for that. Now I can tap to continue on the device. Let's close it. Okay. There's like address verification error. I don't really know why. But the address was shown anyway, so I can basically, yeah, I should tap to confirm to actually like confirm the receive address, then I can use it technically. But yeah, I already have the money. You can see right here I have $0.15, and I hope that this video was helpful. There also is a video on sending crypto, and see you in the next one.